Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we're going to look at problem number 8 for this week's Spiral Review. Problem 8 reads, each decimal grid below represents one whole. What number is represented by the grids? Well, if I know they each equal one whole, this would equal 1, this equals 1, this equals 1, this equals 1. So that's a total of 4. So I have 4 wholes, or 4 ones, which eliminates answer choices A and C, because answer choice A says it's 412. Well, I know each of the grids there equals 1, so it can't be 400, otherwise I'd have to have 400 of these. That would be cray-cray. I know, I'm looking at the computer, actually, it made it easier. So I know it has to be 4 ones, so that eliminates A and C. Now I have to figure out each little box. Each of these little boxes is 1/100th. 1/100th. If I'm thinking each row or each column are 1/10th. So do I have it? How many do I have? I have 6 of the little boxes. So that means I have 6/100ths here and 6/100ths there. If I combined these, I would have 1 full row, and then I would have 6. I would have 6 left over, right? No, there's 12/100ths. Sorry, there's 12/100ths. So what I have is 4 holes, and then I have 12 of the little individual squares shaded in. So that means I have 4 12/100ths, which would make it B. If I combined these into one row, I'd have 1 row full and I'd have 2 left, which is why I'd have 12/100ths. Because 1 would be the tenths, because I'd have 1 whole column shaded in, and then I'd have 2 that didn't fit in that column. Because so 1/10, and then I'd have 2/100ths shaded in there, or 4 12/100ths. Thank you for playing.